Did you know dogs can be left-pawed or right-pawed? Just like humans being left or right-handed, our furry friends have a preferred paw they lead with. Imagine your pup facing a challenge, like opening a door or playing with a puzzle toy, and consistently using one paw over the other. Scientists have discovered that this preference can reveal intriguing insights into a dog's behavior and even their stress levels. Studies show that male dogs often lean towards left-pawedness, while females tend to be right-pawed. This remarkable trait isn't just a cute quirk, it could be linked to how their brains are wired, affecting how they interact with their world and even their training. Next time you're playing with your dog, pay attention to which paw they use first. You might just learn something new about your loyal companion.